I'm closing my put here.
Yeah.
Practicing my risk management.
I knew it looked like it could. It was going to catch some support here.
What you talking about?
I don't know if it's the true balances of catch support, but I was saying that it could catch support at 682 around the 683 range on SPY on the 5 minute.
SPY needs to be above. Well, it's still above the point of control. As long as it holds above 683.28, I think it's going to possibly push. Target's going to be 684.73. Tesla's still doing what I wanted to do, though. So I'm very happy right now. We're up 12% on that signal. We need a break of 454.94. Again, this is a good TP level. Tesla's moving. We're up 11%. This is the play.
You might hit that TP5 level, Lord.
Man, I won't complain. I promise you I won't. I promise you I will not complain. I think I'm gonna take it at 454.11. At least scalp one. Sellers are trying to creep in. I just don't think they're gonna win. I just don't. Definitely retrace right there. You said what? You're doing what?
Taking 10% gain on Tesla.
I think that's smart. We had a rejection come in. And our neutral candle right now on the 10-minute.
Should have stayed in the put on SPY. Never mind.
I don't think I'm gonna mess with SPY, man. At least not yet. Maybe later today.
We're still pushing.
Hey, Mark, how you feeling about Meta right now?
Meta's consolidated. I think if you weren't already in it, you missed it. You don't want to buy at the top either. And I would be very careful about buying puts right here. It's below the point of control. It needs to break above that 665.14, and it could go. But honestly, I think it's gonna stay consolidated. If it loses 660.95, that will probably be a good chance for some puts. But I would just kind of stay away from it at this point. Premiums are too high, and I mean it's chasing. It's chasing. If you get in from here.
Yes.
All right, be careful here with Tesla. Tesla's got to hold its trend line on the 10-minute. It's too much inflows. We got to get back above that pre-market high of 451.66. This is a higher low on the 10-minute, but if we lose it, that's not good. Not for calls, at least, that expire tomorrow. I wouldn't be playing those. Even though they're cheap, they're inexpensive, the implied volatility is ridiculous. That 453.63, that's a key level on Tesla. So we've got to have a candle close above that level for us to continue that uptrend here. I think it's going to probably come back and consolidate at that 452.47. I'm gonna delete this Oklo alert. It's getting on my nerves, man. Delete Oklo.
What is UNH doing?
I'll pull it up.
Oh, it's down.
Yeah, I had gotten an alert about puts on it earlier and just didn't. 335. Isn't that where I said it was gonna go this morning? Let me check that. So calls above 340. Below if it falls below 338.84, I would like to trade puts. I didn't even set the alert. But yeah, the alert. I mean, I had the alert set out, but I didn't set my target. Tesla's going to probably come back to that 453.62 retest, and then I'm going to take profits at 454.14, at least scalp. I already have an alert set. As long as we stay over that pre-market high.
Yeah, I don't think it's done. I think it's gonna go.
Where do you think it's headed?
I'm going for that TP3, man. 371. I'm with you right there. Take my money and go.
Yeah, man. 78-minute looks good, but it's still pretty neutral. TP3, what time frame you on? 15?
Yeah, I'm on the 15 right here.
Yeah, see
what indicator is that? Because I don't have that one.
the ready market structure.
Is that the take profit?
So it's actually, if you go to my website, it's this one right here. Ready Market Structure Pro.
What's the website one?
www.rogers1906.com.
Okay.
Just for those who's listening.
Yeah, appreciate you. And it's free. It costs nothing. But the live trading, if you want this type of vibe every day, you got to be a member. But I just want to lock in with everybody on social media, especially because the men at Alpha Phi Alpha have always been community activists and, giving back to the community, important to people. One of the biggest projects that we had that we've had was a voteless people is a hopeless people, and that's still active to this day. Also, go to high school, go to college, where we mentor young men and encourage them to go to college. We teach them about sexual what is it? Sexual health as well. Preventative health, that kind of stuff. You don't want to have no kids. But we want to see everybody succeed, everybody win, and everybody treated fairly and equal. So today, I just want to show some love to everybody. Why not? Yeah, why not? So right now, this baby blue candle, it's also coded into the indicator that I created yesterday, the red E point of control, the colored candles. The blue is just a buy. Baby blue is a buy, but if it's royal blue, that's a strong buy. And we had a royal blue candle here on Tesla right around 9:40 Eastern. So if we can get another royal blue candle, I know that Tesla's going to keep running. Right now, it looks consolidated, even though it has a buy signal. Slide over to the 2-minute, it's bouncing. And I think that maybe that decline was because there's probably a lot of people paying attention to this ticker. Market makers don't want to see you eat. So I'm going to take profits right around 453.62 for a scalp. Maybe leave a runner for that 454, and then I'm getting out. This one also looks consolidated.
Mhm.
And Meta's breaking back out to the upside. If Meta gets above 667.74, it's going to run again. And I think that pullback was just profit taking. Meta might come back up to, let's see, 669.70-ish. Two levels I'll be watching there. A break of 676 would be great for you, those of you at Meta. This may be creating an opportunity for you to get in those longer term leaps on Meta. 10-minute has a higher high right now. That volume is crazy on the 78-minute, though. That's just it's not my type of vibe right here. Even though it's a great play, just need to be careful with it.
The leap I have on Meta is 1250 out to January 27th.
Okay.
And I'm probably even now.
Oh wow.
Can you look at SPX?
Yeah, I can look at it real quick.
I just got an alert for BBAI. It broke out the trend line to the upside. So
Let's look at SPX real quick. I'm gonna use. I like this Robinhood play. Let me just come over here. SPX still has a sell signal, but it's consolidated. I think SPX is going to chop a little bit here, right at that point of control. This is the consolidation zone from yesterday, right below that. Let's delete that. So I think it's probably going to consolidate here for SPX. You need a break for the upside above 6,848.38. Downside below 6,842.02 with a full candle close. It briefly wicked at 6,840. It could retest that if it falls out of that consolidation zone. But it does have a sell signal on the 2-minute. 10-minute is neutral. This is a rejection point, official rejection point on Tesla. Risk management or put option entry. It just fell below the point of control here.
Oh yeah, I see.
A yellow candle is a weak sell. Sell. Buyers are very weak. We see the buying moving average is below. The buying volume is below the moving average here. My position doesn't expire till next week. So what do you think I'm going to do? Yeah.
I'm looking at SPY and the 30-minute time frame. The market structure has got a 27-to-1 risk to reward for hitting TP3, and the 16-minute has a 32-to-1 risk to reward.
On SPY?
I think on SPY. And VIX is rejecting off the 1650, so I think the market might run.
I hope it does. I'm looking at VIX right now. Let me slide that over here. 2-minute time frame. VIX is very neutral right here. We need VIX below that 1633, but ultimately below 1624. So I'm going to set two alerts. One right here is 1633. And then the second is there at 1624. And then at 200 EMA is right around 1618. Or I could simply just set an alert on the ready market structure for a sell signal. And I'll do it based on the 10-minute. Yeah. All right, I averaged down.
On Tesla?
Mm-hmm. Sellers are definitely present though, but they're getting a little bit weaker. I'll post the update. Right now it's very neutral on the up to the 10-minute. And like I said, that rejection point is ugly. And it's below the point of control here on the 10, 16. I'm willing to bet we got multiple sell signals. Looking at the institutional flow, we had a lot of buying here. And when it dropped to this sell, it's not an official sell. You see how it's gray right there? You hover over that dot, it's saying it's a manipulation warning with minimal price movement, possible spoofing, layering, or wash trading. Stay out, do not trade. Tighten your stops. Epic whipsaw, wait for a warning to clear. And then the next one, it tells me to hold, and it shows the sellers are getting weak. So I think another buy signal is going to come in shortly. But that's Tesla. Let me see what's SPY giving. I see they're talking about it deep in the red E right now. So we had a manipulative buy signal. Even the sell signals were manipulation. But the sellers have most dominance on SPY. Looking at the indices, they're too flat. I would just not trade it right now personally. But that's just me. RSI is at 54 on Tessie. Minty.
Yes.
You still in Tesla?
No.
You took profits.
Yes.
Always.
Tesla puts me to sit down too much, so I'm starting to learn.
Yeah. See green, take green. Because she is pulling back, but it's looks like a little bear flag right here. It's consolidating too. Putting the 250 EMA on a 2-minute time frame. The heat map showing. Slide this over here. Yeah, most of the NASDAQ is pulled back. Meta gave that little fake bounce. It's coming right back down. Everybody want to buy stuff when it's at the top. Wait. Robinhood looks really good, though, for swings. But even though I did take profits on yesterday. It's about 9 people on YouTube, 3 on Instagram right now. Y'all share it. Most of y'all probably in the red E. Y'all quiet, man.
I realize every time the market's slow or choppy, or it was just quiet, like excitement. When we're either going up or down.
I opened a small BBI post for March, and I just got an alert for LGTI, Rigetti. We are on the top of this consolidation, so I'm gonna look now if we can close above, let's say 27. We break the 27 level, then I might consider some calls on Rigetti.
Yeah.
4-hour money flow looks good on my side, so that's fine.
Battery 100%. Connected to Mod MacBook Pro.
SPY is bad. Like I told you, I ain't touching it unless you're in puts. Puts look good. Jeffrey, choppy morning. What is the settings that says sell on VIX? 10-minute indicator. It's the red E market structure. Appreciate you, Jay Douglas. Aaron, I'm in IWM calls, got in at the bottom. Okay, be careful with those.
Coin bounced off the 200 EMA at the 78 minutes, trying to turn into a buy signal.
Let's look at it.
Like yesterday it was up and pulled back.
Yeah, coin has a real nice buy signal right now. It's right at the point of control. Wait for a confirmation right at there. I'll say 276.53. Could be a double bottom here. Once it gets over that 277.16, that was where it struggled pretty bad on yesterday. Remember, between 275.46.
Yeah,
277.53. But coin looks pretty good.
But all crypto pulled back too this morning.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so I think now when it all catches some support, I think coin will push.
Rob signaled some snap buy puts. Yo.
No. Hey, do you play value areas?
No.
Okay.
No. Tell me about it.
Oh, it's the value area is 80% of the trade made the day before.
Mm-hmm.
So when the price moves, there's three areas. There's the above, the middle, and the below. So it kind of plays a little bit like fibs where there's the equilibrium in the middle.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm noticing I'm just started playing it this week, and I'm noticing that it'll bounce off either the middle, the high, the low, and then a lot of times when it breaks, when the like say QBTS or whatever we're playing breaks above the 80% zone, it rips or it dumps. And that's kind of like the play it does, and that's like the whole design of it is when it reaches outside of that area, it'll rip, and then you can see when it's time to pull back and so on and so forth.
Gotcha.
It usually goes from one side to the other.
Or you can play value area continuation. So if it breaks out of the value area and it continues, you want to go with that trend. Or if it goes back in, that's called a break. A failure. And then if it either way, just want to play it that way.
Right. Yep.
I'm taking notes.
Especially when it comes to futures. That is valuable. That's one of those anchored strategies to look and see if it breaks out of value area at the first hour.
Mm-hmm.
And is it in range or is it out of range? And if it's out of range, you want to follow it. If it comes back in range, you want to revert back in range. But that's one of those strategies that is extremely helpful in futures.
Oh, wow. Appreciate that.
Yeah, good stuff, Beverly. That's exactly what a lot of that's exactly what I was noticing and playing. I just started doing this week, so I'm still learning.
Yeah, I'm about to slide in a day trade on Robinhood, HOOD, real quick.
QBTS is ripping, by the way.
I'm looking at the 135 call.
Hey, Mark.
For tomorrow.
I know you said the puts are good for SPY, but it looks like a falling wedge on the 5 minute.
Okay. That is a bullish pattern.
Yeah, where SPY is going up.
I'm in a day trade on Robinhood, HOOD. I bought
135.
the 135 for tomorrow, not financial advice.
Got it.
Meanwhile, I am still watching Tesla. It's just a matter of time. Move VIX back over here.
IWM is going.
Robinhood looks good right here. Oh, cut back. Why am I doing that? Why is this thing doing that? Tesla's fighting to hold at 50 EMA on the 6-minute time frame right here. Hood calls are moving right now. Those IWM lottos from yesterday are still up 28%. It's insane. Go Robinhood. It might reject it right at 135.60. If we break out, we might hit 136.23. But you know me, see green, take green. Tesla might come down to 448.45, guys. Be prepared.
Rigetti really looks like it wants to go.
Oh, wait, Tesla, is that a news candle? 25 minutes ago, Tesla stock rises. Robots are better than cars. That was 25 minutes ago. And that's what caused the change of the trend. It's ridiculous. Why is this thing not connected? Okay, there it is. Tesla's coming down. Glad I'm not on a one date. I'd be sick right now.
Oh, yeah.
All right, Meta, what you doing, baby? Not Meta, Robinhood. 135.57. It's just looking like a real 8 to 10% day per play.
That's it.
Yeah, I got a sell on the 2 minute for Tesla right now. VIX just popped. VIX just popped. What happened?
Liquidating those same days. They've been doing this every day this week. Doing these big pumps and dumps.
Yeah.
That's why I've been cautious. I've been waiting on it. It can be at least 2, 3 of them in the first hour.
Mm-hmm. So which do y'all think is better, Bloomberg or CNBC?
CNBC, I think.
You think so?
Bloomberg in the evening.
Yeah, I think CNBC has the better website, but Bloomberg has the better news.
Yeah, they have a lot of news.
I see VIX playing with y'all today.
I'm telling you, that's that burning them same day contracts out. They do it, then it's gonna start going in a couple hours.
Yeah. Stay out the way on that SPY and IWM. Zeros are not heroes. It might pay you well for now, but it don't last long.
You got a little time, at least a few days. You ain't gonna lose much percentage that quick. I was getting in there SPX because it's gonna bounce back. It's ranging now. Whenever it do that big dump or pump,
Mm-hmm.
you can catch that bottom. It's gonna get a rab, but you don't want to stay in it long.
Mm-hmm. Coin's still looking good. It's getting over that hump right now. 277.15 incoming. Did you end up getting that call? Somebody was, yeah.
Yeah. I got in earlier when it dipped. So I was just waiting for it to come back up.
Mm-hmm.
I got a 280 for January 23rd. And it's safe. Just a matter of waiting. Wait for Bitcoin and crypto.
Yeah, Strat looks really bearish right now on Tesla, but it's holding above the pre-market low. So 447.24 still has pretty decent sales momentum. Robinhood is still pushing. Those calls are green right now. VIX has dropped. And SPY continues to chop. IWM should be doing the same thing. I'm still in that lotto. It's up 28%. But I'm going to go ahead and snatch my 9% gains on Robinhood in a few minutes. Oh, maybe not. This looks good. Okay, I'll do it. I'm going to listen this time.
What was your target for Robinhood?
I wanted to see it break 135.79, but it just keeps rejecting. So I'm just like, take my little 9-10%, get in another trade.
Yeah.
Compound. It's just too choppy, man.
Yeah. Definitely spy SPX, but
Y'all see that
I
support?
just seen a pattern in the first hour though. They do those big first dumps or pumps. If you can catch the bottom of it, it's gonna come right back. But you never know if the pattern just keep going.
Mm-hmm.
Now for now, I'm gonna just watch and see if it get another dump or pump.
I just want to make sure I'm not tripping. Once we come right here. Right there in that area. So we might see Tesla retest at 449. This looks like a 2-minute head and shoulders pattern on Tesla. If it loses that 446.16, it's lights out, puts her in play on Tesla. Let's see. Let's zoom out. 10-minute got one too. Just not as strong. If we can hit that. Was that 451 again? I think that's a good exit. Heck, even 450 is a good exit on Tesla.
I got in a 445, put a little wallop and cut out.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
You walked away?
It turned green and I got out.
Yeah, see, that's how we got to play these markets. Get it while it's green. Just got a notification, a breakout on Southwest Airlines. Still looks pretty flat, but their trading flow is indicating that it likely is going to keep pushing up. It looks like it rejects its 35.78. Come on, Tessie. Get back over there pre-market high. I got a green candle on the 10-minute. It's a weak buy signal. IWM is at $250.62. So I do like IWM calls as well, but do not play zeros, people. Y'all already know how I feel about that. I may play IWM next. Why not? There's a nice little pop. I see you, Jeffrey. What you got going on over there, Hefe?
I'm out the way, big bro. I'm just waiting on something to shake. I'm over here on this bike. I'm just exercising, man. Watching y'all.
I feel you. Tesla going up 451.69.
We're baby blue on the 30-minute.
For Tessie?
Yeah.
Okay. But we need some royal blue, man.
Yeah, we do.
Hang tight. Let me grab this thing. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about.
Action applied PPLD as I guess starting to break out the daily.
APLD looks really good. We got blue candles on the 20-minute. This might be a key reject level though at 30.91. So I mean, it is good for a swing, but you might be buying it at the top or close to the top intraday.
I got in earlier. I'm at up 86%.
Oh yeah,
For
you're
a
smoking
weekly.
on that.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's beautiful. Oh, wait, nobody. Is Wonder Woman here? It's not. Took games on that one.
Hey, Mark, can you check please, bro, whenever you get a chance?
Okay.
Thank you.
It's definitely pushing right now. If Clean Spark breaks that 14.94, I think we might get $15 before we reject today. It looks pretty good. Blue candles on the shorter time frames. Not a lot of manipulation. I think the buy signal's true. It's telling the swing signal is okay up to the 30-minute time frame, but it says monitor on the 78 minutes. So just be careful. Be there for a good time, not a long time, according to the chart, not me. But yeah, Clean Spark looks pretty good. You might touch that $15. Might. Tesla's coming all the way back, man. This is crazy.
Hey, Mark, you think you can check and look at the video?
Just a second. We're gonna have to cut the live because man, we're giving out too much sauce. I see a couple of people asking about stuff in the chat. What's up? What you think of Bitfarm, especially changing AI? Hey fellas. What time frame are you guys using for the ORB? Personally, I was personally using the 30-minute candle. That's a good one. So I like the 16-minute time frame, but I set my orb for 8:30 Eastern. I know it's crazy, but my orb works pretty decent for me on the ready market structure. But that's just me. 30-minute is cool too. When you use the ready market structure, you can actually customize your open range to whatever time frame you want. 10-minute, 15-minute, 30, whatever. So I can set it to the 30, and it'll just make that adjustment. That first 30-minute candle close from 8:30 in the morning. That's what I like. Ken does it. Okay, former CNC member left that group. You need to come on, join the Red E, man. Don't sleep on the Red E Society, bro. We've been cooking.
I seen this breakout coming on SPY.
Did you get in?
Yeah, I'm in calls right now. Some cheap leads out the money.
T-Map is looking pretty good right here. Still pretty flat on the NASDAQ. Those Tesla calls are at -4 right now. Let me see that 451.68. Buy volume is weakening right here. Slide down to the 2-minute. It's rejecting right there at the pre-market high, man. Irritating. Still bullish though, but dang. Buyers got to step up. 10-minute has a yellow candle coming in. Bitcoin rises above 93,000. I hope you took profits on that Coinbase play. Bitcoin hit 93.2. What did I say last night about Bitcoin? Dang, I got a lot of The red E open. I said Bitcoin's not over. Looking for it to run up to $95,637 by Sunday night.
Can you repeat that again? I'm sorry.
Right here in the crypto channel, we were talking about Bitcoin. I said it's not over. I was actually church was getting ready to start. And I said it's going to $95,637 by Sunday night if this momentum continues. Right now, it's struggling to get over that 93,321 and hold. We retraced right there at 93,623, but I like that 78-minute time frame.
Breaking news this morning in the race for Warner Brothers Discovery announcement. Our David Faber from last hour that Netflix is in the lead with its bid believed to be 85% cash, while Paramount's bid is 100%.
Dude, Adobe came all the way down. Did anybody grab one of those puts that I mentioned this morning? Is it coming back? Oh, it's coming back. It bounced out the 200 EMA. That's crazy. Earnings are next Tuesday, I believe, on Adobe. Look where Tesla is right now.
Bix is trying to be a quinceañera again.
Ken says
Wonder Woman is back if you was looking for it.
Okay, cool. Yeah, I see it. She just posted in the chat. Okay. Perfect. Yeah, I took care of it. I was just trying to see if she could update the signals for me.
What kind of protection am I going to need against that downside risk? And then also, what's going to happen to my assets if the deal doesn't close, right? You can have a year and a half review where the assets can deteriorate and end up with a
Rob has signaled a $300 call on Coinbase for January 16th, 2026. It's too late now. Talking about he didn't want to call it out because it was expensive. So
some people may be able to buy.
That's what I'm saying. Don't get me started, man. Jesus. But yeah, I would have played that. But I'm so locked in on this freaking Tesla right now.
What's your input on snow?
1 second. It's got looks like it's creating a bear flag on the 10-minute. Snowflake, if it breaks 240, could possibly run up, but more than likely it's probably going to come to 236.56 and bounce again. Sellers are getting weak. But for swing traders, whenever snow does come down to, I'll say about between 231 and 228, it might create a double bottom and could go back up and retest the highs. Snow has a nice gap up from 243 to 256.90. They just had earnings this week, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. There's also an ugly gap down too. 218.42 to 202. My goodness. What does the volume look like on that thing? Got real heavy sell volume right now. 9.67 million on a daily of worth sales. It's bad. Yeah, I think Snow might come down to 231.65, 228.64, somewhere in that area. So Tesla's range is between 448.37 all the way up to about 451.65. So it's looking for a direction here. It's holding above that pre-market low, so that's a good sign, but still it's got a lot of sell volume right here. It's just not strong. It's still pretty weak. Plain Spark rejected at 1492.
There's also the question of the fairness of the process, which appears to be.
Yeah, I took profits already. Thank you.
In a letter from their lawyer to Warner Brothers Discovery's CEO David Zaslav, I mean, they expressed concerns about the process.
Daniel Stasaki.
Disinterested board members to evaluate the offers more fairly. They say that there are issues like they discussed.
QQQ selling off.
Regulators to raise concerns about the Paramount offer. Behavior they say shows Warner Brothers not acting in the best interest of its shareholders.
What is VIX doing? VIX is moving back up again. VIX has to have a candle close below 1607 for a bull run to happen, and if it can get back below that 1595, that would be great. But it just doesn't look like it's going to happen anytime soon. Everything's ranging and chopping.
You don't think there could be a potential suit if there's cause for finding that fairness not sort of proper and not in the best interest of shareholders in terms of evaluating this to then threaten the actual.
What is everybody else doing right now? What you guys got going? I do like QQQ puts. It's right below pre-market low. I want to see it below 622.02. Somebody asked me earlier to look at NVIDIA. My bad.
Yeah, I had jumped back in the same play when it was down 179. I jumped back to a 230 call.
If NVIDIA could retest that 182.86, that would be a lovely sight. Right now, it looks pretty neutral on the 10-minute. Sellers are there, but they're a little weak. I don't like this candle on the 16-minute time frame at all. Mad choppy. NVIDIA is likely about to come down 181.89 or right there at that pre-market high.
There are two sides to the market. There's what we pay for streaming and the live content that we get from streaming. But there's Hollywood. Right? Hollywood is a crown jewel of U.S. business. HBO it has been a crown jewel of TV going back to The Sopranos really it has been that kind of epicenter of creating.
That thing that was meant to destroy you ended up being the same thing that promoted you. That's deep. Appreciate that, Doc Payne. Right now, the market ain't giving nothing, man.
Have a great day, guys. I'm out.
See you later, Minty. Yeah, I think we're about to come back down on everything. I got multiple sales signals all over the place.
Ownership of the Warner.
I think my statement before, which is Netflix is the hardest of the three stands, but I think all three have their own hair on it, and all three have regulatory risk, which is why you're a shareholder of Warner, you have to look at the base case scenario to determine what value looks like.
Guys, we're gonna lock in here. Let me go ahead and cut things short over yonder.